Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing an all house pickup and reset. We're not doing a lot of deep cleaning, just putting everything back to where it belongs because we just got through being sick for a solid week and this house needs a little bit of a reset. So I'm going to take you guys along with me and we are going to go ahead and tackle every single section and do a little bit of a chat and cleaning. So let's get this going together. Let's clean up together and yeah, let's get going on it. So I decided to start in the main bathroom because it has been used for the kids' baths. Everybody's been sick. We've all just kind of relied on this bathroom heavily to get everything done. So there's so much to be cleaned and I just feel better if the bathrooms are clean. So I've tackled the tub, the shower, and both sinks and just made sure everything was out and taken care of. I found that if I use this really long brush, which I also have a spin brush, but I felt like really using this long brush, it has helped me tremendous to not have to bend over as much because my sciatic pain can be pretty overwhelming. So I just like using this long brush. And then with the toilets, I just always like to use disinfecting wipes and have those ready to go. So it's a lot faster of a process. And then I'm going to go ahead and tackle laundry because I had loads and loads of clean laundry to put away and they've just been all sitting in the chair, which I'm pretty sure everyone has a chair that just collects all the clean clothes. So I'm making sure that I also go through the house and go through any piles that I might have created along the way because I just figured I will come back to it. And I did, so it's okay. And then also the kids are out of school now, so it is time to refresh our homeschool area. So far, I've just been able to gather everything that needs to go back to our library, and then I need to go through all of this and kind of clear everything. And during the summer, I am going to set everything up for the new year because now both kids are going to be in school, so we need this area to work for both of them. I do make sure that I tackle the kitchen when I do these resets. Now, the kitchen needed more than just a reset. This was more of a full-on cleaning, but again, we're just going to focus on putting everything back to where it should go. It was dinner time, so you're going to see me cooking here as I'm trying to put everything back to where it should go. I like to do this when I'm cooking because as I'm keeping an eye on the food, I'm able to do all of the tasks that I need to get done, which makes it a lot easier for me to just focus and concentrate on the one area. So we're just going to do that as we are cleaning this area. Now, after I get done with the kitchen, I really need to get into this entryway and tackle all of these little piles that I was just creating over the week. And I've been doing really good about trying to set up baskets for all these things, but obviously there was just so much happening. And then it was time to go through the mail. So at the end of the week, I like to go through the mail, throw away all the trash, and file away everything that's important. As for the restroom downstairs, this was another room that we relied heavily on and it was incredibly dirty. So it was definitely time to get in there, give it a good cleaning, disinfecting, and it was all ready to go after. And this is a room that I normally don't show you guys, but this is my husband's office and usually it just needs a little bit of a cleanup. There's not much in here that needs to be cleaned besides the floors. So I just wanted to go in there and give everything a good cleaning. I've been loving this mop, which apparently people use also for cleaning walls. So I haven't tried that, but I love that it's so easy to manage. And again, more piles. There was just so many pile, guys. Like it was just the name of the game. So I'm going in and making sure that all of the floors are nice and clean. And we're just going to continue going through zones because that is just my go-to when it comes to cleaning. I know this was a much shorter videos than my typical ones, but I just really wanted to show you guys what a reset typically looks like on my normal days. I hope you guys enjoy this short little video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.